Hey guys, welcome guys. So today I'm going to talk about Git. So I will give a tutorial about Git is version control. So for example, what is Git? So Git is save and manage different version of file and code. It's work with other, keep track the chain and undo mistake. For example, uh, in here we have the test 1 to 2 folder, and in test here we have the test in das file. So and we change the test and we add the test 1 to this file, test 2 to this file, and we and somehow there you want to collaborate with other developer that want to change this file also. For example, uh, here is here is your change, but another person that want to add some more detail, like test 2, test 3 and test 4 for example. So how they can collaborate with you with your code and with your change. So the basic that is using Git is version control the file to have you collaborate and um, manage different version of your files, and it's very helpful to work with in work with other people. Yeah, it's the basic of Git. And we can also let's move on to the Git and GitHub introduction. So Git is popular version control system that as I mentioned above is created by Linus Torvalds in 2005. Do you know Linus Torvalds also create a Linux operating system? Is is most power is open source and the most popular operating system in nowadays after the Windows. So it's mostly using by developer and um, the professional environments. So it's now maintained by Junimo Hamono since then. So it's used for checking code chain, Pull chain, and code collaboration. So for example, here I start my first commit, my first file chain by creating the index HTML. So after that, I add some test.txt file like test here, test one, then test one here, and after that I add test 3 and test 4 here, and something here I update the test 5 and test 6, and in here I remove the test 8 txt files. So that's all history file chain of my folder. So it's example of the Git and what it's used for.